Welcome to this short video on how to run an Alephium Miner. We will first launch an AWS EC2 instance from the AWS console. Select Ubuntu 2004 and then search for a P3 instance type. That's the one with GPU we are looking for. Ensure that we will assign a public IP on the instance so that we will be able to connect to the instance. Give a bit more space. 50 gig is quite good so far. And add a bit more security, just allow our own IP address to SSH to the server. That's it. So choose a key pair, generate one if none, and we can now launch the instance. Awesome. We go to the instance and then we can get the public IP address so that we can SSH to the server. Make sure you're using the key pair you selected for the instance. Now let's go and grab the magic one-step install command, paste it and execute it. The script will install Docker, Docker Compose, and the required NVIDIA drivers and NVIDIA runtime. The script takes a bit of time because it installs quite some package, and at the end, it reboots the server. So make sure that the reboot doesn't cause any data loss on your side. Now fast forward till the end of the install. Now the server has been rebooted, so we can reconnect. The welcome message tells that everything has been installed under Alephium Miner setup. So we can change here to this folder, and then we can use Docker Compose to check the logs, etc. So the server is still rebooting. It takes a bit of time to launch all the process. Now you can see that everything is started and we start getting logs. We can use -f in the log commands in order to follow the logs. And here that's the log of the broker. And we can see that it started syncing with the rest of the nodes. Okay, it's a bit verbose, but basically it tells us that it is normally correctly syncing with the rest of the nodes. So let's see what the mining companion is telling us. So Docker Compose, logs -f, mining companion. So it started properly. The mining wallet wasn't existing, so it created it, and it printed out the mnemonic here in the logs. The mining wallet has been configured properly, and there's no transfer address configured, so it stops. Let's check back the broker, what it says. Still verbose. Yeah. Once you're getting bored at looking at these logs, I give you a small hint. You can grab for a keyword sync, and this will filter out all the noise and just tell you whether the node is in sync. You will see appearing sync with clicks, meaning that the node is sync. Look at that. Now it's synced. Awesome. So if I check back the miner, I should start seeing that the miner is mining. Yes, look, hash rate 1.2 gigahash per second on one CPU. Awesome. The miner is now mining. Happy mining.